Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make at home a coffee sugar body scrub from scratch using household ingredients that are non-toxic. So there is a number of reasons why you would be interested in something like this, whether it is to eliminate plastic from your household because of the environmental effects of plastic, or whether you want to stop purchasing scrubs. It's a good way to save money, or also because body scrubs that are sold in stores contain a lot of undisclosed chemicals that we as the consumer are not notified about, whether they are carcinogenic or endocrine disruptors, overall harmful for our body, and increase the chemical burden. So today we're going to start with the coffee body scrub, and you're going to need a few things to start. It's really simple. There's only 3 ingredients. You're going to want coconut oil, unrefined and organic, if you can. We're going to have some coffee beans. Whole beans works best, but if you have ground beans at home, there's no reason why you should go out and buy whole beans. A container for your body scrub, and then brown sugar. So the first thing you want to do is grab your coffee beans. So coffee beans bought in whole beans can be purchased in bulk, meaning that you bring your own container to the grocery store and it eliminates any packaging or plastic usage. So I bought these in bulk from my local Whole Foods. And I also have an electric coffee grinder. So it's plugged in right now, and I'm just going to put in the rest of my beans because I'm running low. Okay, and so once that's done, you're going to want to take your container that you're going to put your body scrub in and add your beans. So this type of body scrub can be used as a moisturizer, it can be used as shaving cream, it can be used as an exfoliant, depending on the ratio of the ingredients that you use. So you can do 1 part sugar, 1 part coffee, 1 part coconut oil as easiest, but if you want more of an exfoliant, you'll want more ground coffee beans and sugar rather than coconut oil. If you want it as more of a moisturizer, you're going to want more coconut oil. So I just had a little bit of beans, so mine's going to be more of a moisturizer. So next I'm going to add my brown sugar. And then finally the coconut oil. So it is December right now, so my coconut oil is solid. So I'm going to have to go get a spoon. Okay. So I'm going to be doing a lot of coconut oil because I want this to be a moisturizer. And then you're gonna use like a spoon to stir it until you get the consistency you want. You're gonna want an even consistency. Body scrubs like this can be used in the shower. I use mine about weekly, but sometimes I get grimy at the beach and want to use it more often. So a small container, which is my sample container right here, I have been using for a few weeks now, and it's about 3/4 full. And if I'd had more ingredients, I'd be able to have filled this, and it would have lasted me probably for about half a year. But because I'm running low, I'm just going to do a little bit, which will be good for my travels that I'm coming up. I'll just be able to bring this body scrub. It is brown and kind of chunky, as all body scrubs are. Depending on how fine you grate the coffee beans, it can either like get off dead skin from your epidermis, or your outer layer of your skin, or it can be just something to make you feeling fresh. So super simple, super easy, 3 ingredients, non-toxic, and good for the planet and good for you.